So retarded.
Here's hot sauce. Yeah, hot sauce.
No.
What was that? That's cheese dip.
Disgusting. We're so retarded.
The funny thing is, I wasn't even sleeping. Give me a wet paper towel.
Told you we should have waited a few hours later.
I knew y'all were gonna do something because you weren't in here.
I was chatting with them.